I made a mess of this the first time. This time we're going to do it better. This is 2x squared plus y to the fifth, all taken to the second power. So the way to solve that would be to expand it, which simply means to write it twice. In this case, if it was y to the third, if this was a 3 here to the third power, we'd write it 3 times. And now it's just distributive property like we've always done. This binomial times this binomial is 2x squared times 2x squared and 2x squared times y to the fifth. Then this y to the fifth will be multiplied by both terms also. But let's do this first. The 2x squared times 2x squared. Coefficients, 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x squared. Exponent rule tells you to add those exponents, so x to the 2 plus 2 is 4. And now the 2x squared times the y to the fifth, I heard an x and a y, those can't be multiplied together. So the coefficient of 2 and the coefficient of 1 in front of the y is positive 2 in this case. And then x squared times y to the fifth is just x squared y to the fifth. Now, the 2x squared has been multiplied by both terms in this binomial, so this y to the fifth must be multiplied by 2x squared, and that's also positive, and the coefficients are 2 and 1 again, so 2, and then x squared and y to the fifth. This y to the fifth, you might want to put it first because we're reading this y to the fifth times 2x squared. Best practice, always just put them in alphabetical order. It'll be easier to spot your like terms. So x squared y to the fifth again, just like this one was. And now y to the fifth times y to the fifth, of course, it's positive. And again, you add the exponents. The rule for exponents is to add those exponents when the base is the same, like these y's. So y to the 10th power. As always, our like terms wound up next to each other in the middle. There is a 2x to the second y to the fifth, and another 2x to the second y to the fifth. Same variables, same exponents, so they're alike, and they can be added together to be called 4x squared y to the fifth. This 4x to the fourth is still here, and this y to the 10th is here. If I can write a 10, and that is your answer.